Welcome to Learn Yourself. Today we are going to understand example 9.8. This is under CBSE Standard 9 syllabus from the chapter number 9. So example says that two hockey players of opposite team while trying to hit a hockey ball on the ground collide and immediately become entangled. So they are trying to hit a hockey ball and they are colliding with each other. While running and while looking towards the ball, they are colliding with each other and immediately they will be separated and they are going in another direction. So one has a mass of 60 kg and moving with this much velocity, that is 5 meter per second, while other has a mass of 55 kg and moving faster with a velocity of 6 meter per second. So two players are there, they both have separate masses, they both have different masses, their both velocity are different. They both are colliding with each other and they will separate immediately, they will untangle immediately. In which direction and with what velocity they will move after they become untangled. So let us understand this example like this, that player A and player B are there. So both are colliding with each other at one point. So they are colliding with each other. Now they will move in which direction and with how much velocity. They both have their certain mass and velocity when they are moving. They both have mass and velocity with them. So when they are colliding, after that we have to find out that they will move in which direction and with how much velocity they will move. So here, in which direction they will move and with how much velocity they will move, it is depending upon whose momentum is more. If A's momentum is more, then both of them will go in this direction. And if the B's momentum is more, then both of them will go in this direction. And this momentum will affect to their velocity also. So we have to find out here final velocity. Once they are colliding with each other, what will be their final velocity. Here we are going to use the third law of motion, which is law of conservation of masses. So this is our before collision, this is after collision. From this, whatever term we will get, that term will be equal to this second term and we will find out the velocity for the second situation. Now let us note down what all details they have given to us. That one has a mass of 60 kg. So I am going to write here m1 equals to 60 kg. Then moving with a velocity. So this is going to be u1, that is initial velocity, that is 5 meter per second. Then mass of 55 kg, that is m2 equals to 55 kg, and the initial velocity of the second person is going to be u2 equals to 6 meter per second. Now person A is moving in certain direction and person B is coming in opposite direction. So the velocity of the person B or the second person will be negative because it is in the opposite direction of the person A. So here velocity what we are taking for the second person is going to be negative because person A and person B are colliding with each other. So both of their forces are opposite to each other. So here person B's velocity will be negative, the before collision interaction. So before collision we will get here m1 u1 plus m2 u2. So we are going to get here 60 into 5 plus 55 into minus 6. So here we are going to get 300 plus 330 and this is minus. So we are going to get minus 30 kg meter per second. So this much momentum we are going to get before collision. Now after collision, we will get term m1 v1 plus m2 v2. But here they are colliding with each other and the velocity will be combined for them because they have collided with each other and they will move with certain velocity. So velocity for both of this will be common here. So m1 here v1 and v2 is going to be the final velocity for both of this object or both of this person. So v1 and v2 I am replacing with v, so that's why m1 plus m2 and out of the bracket v, because v will be the common term and I am taking it out. Now what are the mass for this two person? 60 plus 55, and velocity we need to find out. Now as per the third law of motion, this term is going to be equal to this term. So as per the law of conservation of momentum, we are going to get here 60 plus 55, v equals to minus 30. Minus 30. So here we will get 5 and 6 plus 5 is 11. V equals to minus 30. So minus 30 divided by 115. Once this 115 will go and change the sign, it will go to the denominator of minus 30. So V equals to minus 30 divided by 115. So the answer we are going to get is minus 0.26 meter per second, because this is a velocity and this is a final velocity for both of this person. Now here this answer is in negative. That means they will move towards the direction of the person B, or they will move towards the left side, or they will move towards the person, second person, which has a mass of 55 kg. In that direction they will go. So both of this person will move from right to left. They will move from right to left, because if we will see here, as we have seen earlier, that person A is there and person B is there. So B's momentum is more, so they are going to go from right to left, because here the momentum is more. So here this velocity sign, whatever answer is there, is negative. So they will move from right to left, because momentum of A person is less. So they will move from right to left. So that is how you have to write your answer, that once they will collide with each other, both of their velocity will be 0.26 meter per second and they will move from right to left as this sign indicate. So hope this video has solved your doubt. In coming videos we are going to understand many more important concepts. So don't forget to subscribe, learn yourself. I'll see you in next video. Till then, keep learning, keep sharing.